Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'll let you know is RateDev legit, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. Guys, this website is offering their deals in the United States, and let's get started without wasting time. So this is the homepage of this particular site, and it is an online shopping store that deals with fashion diagnostics set at affordable prices, and you can see the kits are available at the same price, that is $38.75. So you will get professional decor fiber optic ear mirror otoscope diagnostic set at the cost of $38.75. The prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Coming to the payment information, you can see PayPal is the only mode of payment which is available on this site. And coming to the shipping policy context, let's check out the shipping duration. So guys, your orders will arrive between 5 to 10 business days, and the orders will ship within 7 to 15 business days. So this was the shipping information. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign, but when it comes to the domain information of this particular site, it was created on 4th of March 2021. Guys, it simply means that this particular site is 11 days old and we can't claim this site legit on the basis of the domain age factor. Now coming to the company's information, we need to visit the About Us page. Here is the About Us page, and they have provided the limited information. Apart from that, guys, they have not provided info related to brand connection, business owner name, business establishment year, which is a negative sign. So yes, we can't claim this site legit on the basis of the company's information as well. However, we need to explore the contact details as well. So this is the contact us page. They have provided the entire info including email address, contact number and official address. But I would like to inform you that this particular address is not available on Google Maps. It means that Google Maps can't even find this particular given business address, which is a negative sign. And guys, talking about the social media existence, they have provided 4 social media icons on the web page, but we would like to inform you that the site has no social media presence at all, which is again a red high alert that makes the site quite suspicious. Now coming to the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So guys, they have provided the return policy info, which is 14 days. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about RateDev reviews, so we didn't found customer reviews about this site on the internet, guys. However, we have found some, or you can say few evaluations, and we have found complaints about this particular site. Or apart from that, I would like to inform you that this particular domain was registered in China as well, and no history is available regarding this website on internet, or you can say no history is active on internet. So this is again a red high alert, guys. So there are so many loopholes, including low trust index score, which is 1%, and unavailability of company's complete information, zero social media presence, zero security measure, low traffic score, low popularity, or suspicious contact details, poor design of website led to believers that it is highly a suspicious website. So guys, we do not recommend you to buy anything from this particular site, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a good day.